Problem 2. Sam drove 96 miles in 90 minutes. His average speed during the first 30 minutes was 60 miles per hour, and his average speed during the second 30 minutes was 65 miles per hour. What was his average speed in miles per hour during the last 30 minutes? So let's draw ourselves out the example. Always draw a diagram. So Sam drove 96 miles in 90 minutes, whatever. His average speed during the first 30 minutes, so let's say this is the first 30 minutes. His average speed here was 60 miles per hour, right? And his average speed during the second 30 minutes, so this is another 30 minutes right here, so second 30 minutes was 65 miles per hour, so 65 miles per hour. What was his average speed in miles per hour during the last 30 minutes? So this is the last 30 minutes, right? And we're trying to find the last 30 minutes, and we're trying to find the average miles per hour. So to do this, let's first consider this information. He drove 96 miles in 90 minutes. If he drove 96 miles in 90 minutes, then that means that how many miles did he drive here? Well, that is equal to 30 minutes. Well, 30 minutes is half an hour. So 0.5 times 60, which gives 30 miles, right? And then this would be 0.5 times 65, which is equal to 32.5, right? 32.5 miles. So how many miles is here? Well, that would just be 96 miles minus 30 plus 32.5, which is 62.5, which is 533, so 33.5. So this is 33.5 miles. Now, 33.5 miles is equal to the velocity times the time taken. Why? Because distance is equal to velocity times time. Now, what is time? Well, we can find that time, right? Because he spent 30 minutes here and 30 minutes here. So that means the duration of the trip took how many minutes? Well, that's 90 minus 60, which gives 30 minutes. So that means, since this is in miles per hour, right? Miles per hour, this has to be, the velocity is in miles per hour. This t right here has to be in hours as well. 30 minutes is the same thing as half an hour. So we plug in half for t. So this becomes v times 1 over 2. Therefore, v is equal to 33.5 times 2, which is the same thing as 67. So our final answer would be answer choice D, and we are done.